everything. Thanks for joining me today. I'm just going to make 4 quick little thank you cards, and I'm going to do them in the style of real simple stamping. So I'm not going to do anything other than stamp onto Whisper White. These are 8 by 5s. Yeah, 8 by 5s folded in half, and that's it. All I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 using this Abstract Impressions stamp set, and I'm going to do 2 using the Little Piggy stamp set. Now I've not really got an idea of what I'm going to do yet, so I know I'm going to use thank you because they're thank you cards. And I think if flowers were hugs, I'd send you 1,000. I'll put that in the middle, on the inside, I think. And then, so on the outside, I'm just going to stamp something. I think I'm just going to go with, I've no idea what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to get the thank you stamp, first of all. I'm going to choose some colours. I'm going to go with Melon Mambo, I think. Just to start off with. I think I'm going to go with Melon Mambo and Gorgeous Grape, actually, as a colour theme for the first couple of cards. So I'm just going to take my thank you and I'm going to stamp it up in Melon Mambo, ink it up in Melon Mambo. And I think I'm just going to put my sentiment, offset it there. And I'm going to try and do 2 cards the same. So, or more or less the same. Obviously, if I wanted them exactly the same, I'd use the Stamparatus. Or, I haven't got a Stamparatus, so I'm lying. I'd use my stamping platform. I've got a Tonic Tim Holtz one. And then I think what I'm going to do, shall I just go for, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the dots here, these little dots, and I think I'm going to stamp off a couple of times and then just have some little dots coming down the side. Oh yeah, like that. So I'm going to have some little dots coming down the side. So I'm just going to stamp off a couple of times. Again, I'm just going to have some little dots coming down the side, and then I think I'm going to go, I'm not going to do, that's a 2-step stamp, I'm not going to do the 2-step stamp, and then I think I'm just going to stick a flower, and there's a kind of a little butterfly kind of effect going down there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the 2 different flowers, and I'm going to get Gorgeous Grape out. And I'm going to go for the wider part of the flower. I'm just going to stamp 3 of in Gorgeous Grape. I haven't finished yet, so don't think that looks a bit weird. Okay, and then I'm going to get the other. I mean, so that was that one I used, and now I'm going to be using, I think it was that one, now I'm going to be using this one. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to stamp off, and then I'm just going to stamp it into there. Oh yeah, I like that. So I'm just going to stamp off, stamp it into there. I'm not even really following any kind of placement strategy or anything, I'm just stamping. And then I'm going to do this lovely little butterfly. There's a cute little butterfly. Which does have some wings as well. So I'm just going to stamp the little butterfly. I'm going to stamp that in the Melon Mambo. But I'm going to stamp it off a couple of times and just pop it there. So Melon Mambo stamped off a couple of times and pop it there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get those little wings, the stamp with the little wings on it. And I'm just going to pop it in the Gorgeous Grape and stamp it over there. Oh, look at that, how cute. That's even better. And then I'm just going to get the, I'm just going to get a little stem. There's a little stem. I've got a little mark on there, so I might do something just to cover that up. I'm just going to get the little stem. I don't know where my... seem to have lost a block. So I'll just use this one. And then I'm going to use Old Olive, I think. I can't really do my stem because it'll cut through my thank you, which is a shame. So I'm going to do something different, which is I'm just going to use this lighter grass effect. And the Old Olive. And just pop that in there instead. That'll do me. And then because I've got this little purple bit here, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dig that out again. That same stamp. Or maybe I'll take the other one. So there's one that's like I think it's meant to go over, to be sort of stamped over there. And what I'll do is I'll just get the gorgeous grape. And I'll just add some little bits to it. Just so it doesn't look too like it's supposed to be there. I don't know if that's ruined it now. I don't think it has. I think it looks cute. And then we're just going to pop that little sentiment on the inside. Whoops. What a klutz. What I've done, I've got it all over the back. I think what I'll do there is I'll just cut it off and stick it onto a card like a mat. And then I just want to pop this on. The Melon Mambo, I think. Inside. That's fab. Flowers for hugs, I'd send you 1,000. Yeah. So the only thing is, I just like those, they're cute. Little abstract thank you cards. Is that needs to just be stuck on a, I just need to back that off onto something, which is what I'll do with it. I'll clean up those stumps in a minute. Yeah, I like those. See, that's what you can do when you just don't think about anything. Now I'm going to stick with the Berry Burst for my little pig stamps, for my little pig cards, because I want them to be pink. So I'm going to use this little piggy says thanks. I'm going to use this little piggy here. So this little piggy says thanks. Oh, I didn't even realise that they've got I can't use that one. You make me happy. This little piggy says thanks then. Now, shall I just keep it super crisp and literally just put it on my card like that? And that's it. Let's have a look. Let's see how that works. Stamp it off a bit because I don't want it to be too bright. That's it. That's all we need. I'll let this one be a bit brighter. This little piggy says thanks. That's it. That's my card made. What's wrong with that? Super duper stuff. I think what I might do just take the little dots. No, I'm not taking the little dots. I'm just literally, that's it. That's my card. They're cute. I like those. You don't need to add all sorts of stuff. Just use your stamps and away you go, and a piece of cardstock. And I hope that's given you a little bit of inspiration and made you realise that you don't need to have mountains of things to be able to make something pretty and useful. So that's that. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.